Model selection is a system level decision and not a implementation level decision, because model selection is very important. Model selection, it interacts with orchestration strategy. Orchestration strategy will depend on the model which you will select. The tool design will depend on the model selection. Memory architecture will depend on the model selection. Cost planning will depend on the model selection. Scalability will depend on the model selection. UX expectations, user experience expectations, will depend on the model selection. So model selection is a very important system level decision which we have to take, and that decision will further decide the orchestration strategy, the tool design, the memory architecture, the cost planning, the scalability, the user experience expectations. So model selection is not isolated, rather it is integrated. Model selection is integrated.